Yeah. Lights out. Don't you dare slow down. Go longer.
Okay, hey everybody, it's Let's Play the Week away, and this is me and my friends destroying the server. This was all Indy Jones 7 while we were just destroying spawn. And yeah, now because yeah, but hold on, because 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 I'm lagging right now. I'm not gonna be able to film the explosion, but I'll film the after explosion. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna help him out and record at the same time. Here we go. Build. Okay. One sec, guys. I'm checking my settings. Should I, guys? What should I turn? What should I turn the graphics to? Fancy or fast? Okay. Okay. View bobbing off. Performance. Clouds off. Advanced. Particles decreased. Okay. I finished setting my particles and everything. I got 8. Can y'all just, can y'all just blow this up already? I'm recording right now. Yeah, if my computer can handle it. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. This is a tent map that we ran. This is a tent map that a tip server that we rented for an hour. Just the Greek. Yeah, thank you, Legal Drive. Oh. LOL. Yeah, guys. When we, guys, when we explode. Oh my gosh, Envy, be quiet, please. When we explode this, we gonna all of us gonna mute our mic so there isn't no background noise, anything. So you just hear explosion. Let me check. I'm still recording too. 17 minutes. Wait. We got it for 9 days. No, it's we got it for 9 days. It says uptime 9 days. I'm still recording.
Hey, we got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? 'Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real?